Hey, this is Corey with Creative Habitats. I'm here at Dean Road Elementary School. So this grass right here used to look like that. Gets lots and lots and lots of wear and tear. I'm not a turf expert, but doing a little bit of alchemy and a little bit of science and a little bit of experience, what we did out here, we tilled it. We added M10 granite dust sand. We added mulch. We limed it, we fertilized it, and we made sure the water is good. After 9 months of, I guess we can call it trials, I think it passes. So, but we tilled all that in, mixed in mycorrhizae inoculant, did everything we could to get this right. And other than right in this little section here where it's clearly shaded all the time, and Bermuda grass, you know, we know that it doesn't like that. This has really been successful. So I'm pretty pumped about it, because I kid you not, all of that over there looked just like this. And now after a 9 months trial, it looks like that.